Today you will learn how to make Instagram filter from scratch. Not only that, you will also be able to publish it on Instagram so that other people could use it. Making an Instagram filter is very easy. We will make our first filter, and that is the face tattoo filter. Let's hop into it. So first, you will need the program called Spark AR Studio. This is a software program that works on Windows and Mac PCs. To download the software, visit the first link from the description and click download. After that, install the Spark AR Studio. I have already installed it, so let's just go and open the Spark AR Studio. Here is the Spark AR Studio. Okay, when you first open the Spark AR Studio for the first time, you will see a login page. You'll have to log in using your Facebook account. I am already logged in, which is why I see this page. They have some amazing templates to get you started. You can use certain templates for certain needs. But we will make it from scratch so that you can understand what's going on. Let's now create our very first Instagram filter. Click New Project. We will use a blank project for better understanding. It takes a little longer to load the studio. Okay, so this is the studio where we will create Instagram filters. This is where you can test your filters in real time. You will know soon. You can change the person from here. You can choose from here depending on the type of filter that you are going to make. You can also test a filter in real time in your face from the webcam feature. I have blurred out my face because I look ugly here. Let's switch it back to some other face. Okay, now since we are making a face tattoo filter, we need face reference assets. You can do without the assets too, but using it makes the work a lot easier. Visit the second link from the description and click download the face reference assets. The file will be downloaded in zip format. Just extract the files. Open the main folder and then open the textures folder. There are 5 images, but we will use either of these 2 images for our face tattoo filter. You can use this for the female face and this for the male face, depending on how you want to make it. Now, let's go back to the Spark AR Studio. To create the face tattoo filter, we will first have to add an object. Click Add Object. Now search for face mesh. This is the one, click Insert. You can see we already have the face mask. Now, click on the face mesh 0, you can rename it, but I'll just leave it as it is. Now, on the right corner, click the plus icon of the materials. You can see that the face mask has changed into something silver in color. You may have also noticed that a new material folder has been added in the assets section here. Right-click and rename it to whatever you want. I'll name it Face Tattoo Material. We are almost done. We need to get the tattoo now. Let's go to Google and find some tattoo images. Okay, so I have found this image. I'll download it and use it for this project. After that, you will have to use a photo editor. You can use any software that is available on your computer. Photoshop works great, but I don't have it now, so I'll use Canva. It's free. You can download Canva from the link in the description if you want to. Let's create a new design and select Instagram post size. 1080px into 1080px is the best size for face filters. Now, let's import the face reference asset that we've downloaded at the beginning of the video. Right-click and set as a background image. This reference image will help us adjust the image accurately so that it turns out perfect on our faces. Now, let's also import the tattoo image that we just downloaded. Now, adjust the size of the image according to the face of the reference image. The nose should be on the nose, the lips on the lips, and so on accordingly. After that, remove the reference image and download this image. You can download it without a background if you have the subscription for Canva. I don't have it, so let's just download it with background and remove it using background remover. Now, let's just visit remove.bg to remove the background of the edited image. Now, drag and drop the image that we just edited using Canva. So it has automatically removed the background of the image. Click the download button and download the transparent image. Let's go back to the Spark AR Studio. We've added the face mesh and added materials in the face mesh. Now we need to add the tattoo. And to add the tattoo we need to add a new texture here. Simply go to your file manager and drag and drop the final tattoo image in the assets section below. You can rename the file for convenience. I'll just leave it as it is for this project. After that, click on the material. And then on the right corner, click the texture drop-down menu. And select the image texture that we just imported, that is Face Tattoo Remove BG Preview. Okay, so the filter is now ready. You can see it here. Let's just try it on different persons. I think that's fine. Now, what we are going to do is test it on our mobile device using our Instagram. Click on the tiny little test on device icon that is on the left corner at the bottom. You can either send it to your Facebook or Instagram. By the way, this filter is both for Facebook and Instagram. Let's open Instagram on my phone. You can see that we have received the preview notification. Just click on it and try it on yourself. It's working fine on me. Again, I'm ugly so I don't want to show you my face. We've created the filter and it works fine, but we haven't published it yet, so let's learn how to publish on Instagram and Facebook so that other people could also use your filter. On the Spark AR Studio, click the Publish button that is on the top right corner. Now, leave the settings as it is and click Upload. It will then redirect you to the publishing page of the Spark AR. Give your filter a name and enter it here. I'll write Face Tattoo. You can select all platforms if you want to publish it both on Instagram and Facebook. Otherwise, you can select specific platforms to add either only to Instagram or Facebook. Leave the other as it is. Now, you can select up to 4 categories depending on the type of filter that you've made. And then, add some keywords that are relevant to your filter. This helps others find your filter when they search for a specific term. Finally, you will have to upload a demo video of your filter here. You can record the video from the preview link, or you can send a preview link by clicking the test on the device button above. Now, you will have to upload an icon for your filter. It's like a thumbnail on YouTube. This is the icon after it's uploaded. You can select between publishing right away after the filter is approved, or you can set a specific time to publish after the filter is approved. By the way, you will first have to save this by clicking the Save button in order to send the preview link using the Test on a Device button. After that, click the Submit button. And that's it, you just have to wait for a few hours. They say it will take 1 to 3 days to get approved, but they approve it within 1 or 2 hours. After your filter is published, you will see a new tab in your Instagram profile. You can view your filters here. This is one of the first filters that I have published. You can go and try it if you want it. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Also, do let me know what Instagram filters tutorial do you want next in the comments below.